PNI Clementine 8550BT allows the reception of FM radio stations, offering exceptional audio quality. You can save up to 18 FM stations in the player's memory for easy and convenient access to your favorite radio stations. Find your favorite radio station by manual or automatic search. The presence of the ISO connector international standard makes the PNI Clementine 8550BT player compatible with most cars on the market. Some cars are equipped with plugs configured differently from the ISO standard. The front panel can be easily disconnected from the player's body. This way you will be able to take it with you for more safety when you leave the vehicle. The PNI Clementine 8550BT car player can play music from various sources: FM radio, USB, SD-Carte, AUX-In or Bluetooth. PNI Clementine 8550BT thus becomes the most pleasant partner on long journeys. The player is compatible with PNI HiFi650 120W, PNI HiFi500 100W and PNI HiFi400 80W coaxial speakers for a more accurate and high-quality music sound reproduction with strong volume. Download the CarLife application Android and add the player to the application via Bluetooth. Remotely control the main functions of the player: volume, mode, band, forward, backward, play, pause, etc. The Bluetooth function allows you not only to play music stored on your mobile phone, but also to pick up and make phone calls, an extremely useful function especially when driving, a function that allows you to keep your hands on the car controls during a phone call.